Hey YouTube, Mike X51 back with a video. And before we start this video, I want to say thank you to everyone out there who've watched my videos, who subscribed to my channel, left a comment, shared, and even liked my videos. I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and keep watching and subscribe. Please subscribe. And with that being said, let's get into it. So today's silver video. Just received a package from Universal Coin and Bullion. They had a sale going on a couple of weeks ago, and I ended up making a purchase from them. So that's what this is. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so I had to mark out my address, name and address. Don't want to show that on here, but they were having a sale that day, and they were having Silver Eagles 2018 for $18.37. That was a pretty good sale, so I ended up buying six of those. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there it is. 2018. And they're all the same, 2018. So that's pretty much it. It was just pretty much silver unboxing, silver delivery, and I ended up getting 6 2018 Silver Eagles for $18.37, which that's a pretty good deal for me. So, and that's pretty much it. So like I always say, if it's the first time to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're returning, you might as well subscribe. Like, comment, share, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.